Hello and welcome to the tutorial of group settings in the Connected app from Steinel. What we have done is already we have created a project, we have created a network, we put the luminaires to a group. In this case we have call it staircase. Then I press on this button. Then we see, okay, we have the mode fully automatic, so the sensors switch the luminaire on, and after a time delay, the luminaire switch off again. We have also a switch mode. Then the sensor is deactivated. You can switch the luminaire normal by a normal switch. Then we have individual settings. In the motion detector, we can reduce the sensitivity of the sensor. Then we can activate a test mode for testing the detection range of the sensor. Then we go back to the light sensor. Here we can say, when we have a list of luminaires, we can say, okay, which luminaire should give the light level threshold to the group. We see here the lux level of each luminaire, and then we can set, for example, the darkest luminaire should be my master for the light measurement. Then we can set the lux threshold for switching on the luminaire. Now we have daytime operation, but we can also set individual via the slider the lux level. And also make a lux teach of measuring of the luminaire, or we can say also on which time we should measure the luminaire. For example, in the afternoon at 6 o'clock in the evening, then at this point the luminaire should measure the light level and take it as its threshold. Then we can set the lighting options. For example, the dimming level you can set in the percentage. You see on the back, in the background, the luminaire, which becomes darker when I set it to 10%. For example, the stay on time, so that is the delay time of the sensor after detection, how long the luminaire is switching on. We have a backlight. These are extra LED on the back side, which is an effect light to illuminate the ceiling. Then we have a soft start. It's a fade time. It's a dim RAM, how long it takes from switching off to switching on to the on mode, how long does it take. And the same we have also for the soft end. Then we have a basic light, so we call it the basic brightness or basic light functionality. There we can make it time-based or brightness-based. We can set time-based means, for example, that we have after the delay time of the main light, the luminaire goes not fully off. It goes for 5 minutes in the stay on time of the basic brightness. Then we can choose the light sources. For the R series, it should be on the backlight, both, or only a dimmed main light. And here we can set also for the basic brightness. We can set the values, the light level. Then we can make monitoring. When we have emergency light model integrated, then you have here the option and have a status if everything is okay, or if there are some faulties or some problems with an emergency light model. Yeah, that was it from the settings of the groups.